Hey bro!
Welcome to the beautiful cliffs of Malta. If you want to know why I decided to come...
Who are you?
I'm your future self, bro! You don't know what the video would have been about.
Ah, okay.
Exactly. So, as I was saying... Bro, don't just stand there, please. You know, you could show people around. Yes. I'm in Malta, and if you want to know why I came in this beautiful island country in winter, I made a video in which I explain it, so go check that out, bro. Have you ever wondered what's the best way to book a place to stay when you're traveling?
In this video,
I'll show you what I've learned in many years of mistakes as a nomad, and I'll tell you if you should or shouldn't use a website or app that is out there.
so sit down, relax, and enjoy this video.
Alright bro, first stay away completely from aggregation websites like TripAdvisor. Why? Check this out. An aggregation website just shows you listings from other websites. Like in this case, you see most of them are from booking.com, and the prices are not always updated, so you could find some surprises, let's say. Second, you see this place, it has only one review and it's 5 out of 5. These reviews of TripAdvisor are completely independent from the actual websites in which you're going to buy the listing. What does it mean? That these reviews can be from people that never actually slept there, they're not verified, while the booking.com reviews would be verified from people that actually slept in that place. That's why TripAdvisor reviews can be misleading. What you should do is to go directly to the website that is selling that listing. In this case, booking.com. Let me click. As you can see here, there are more than 1,000 reviews. This specific hotel is actually good, but what we find on TripAdvisor in other scenarios can be misleading. If you really want to use an aggregation website for whatever reason, you want to compare prices, go to Trivago instead, because at least Trivago is getting the reviews from hotels.com. At least they are reviews that are verified from people that actually slept in that place. Disclaimer, none of these companies are paying me anything, alright? I'm just sharing with you my brutally honest opinion. So 9 times out of 10 I use booking.com. Why? Because I'm a nomad, I travel a lot, I book many hotels, and they have some loyalty programs. As you can see, I'm a level 3 of this Genius loyalty program. I have some discounts, they give me free breakfast, free room upgrades, I have priority support, which, listen to me, it was very important sometimes because it can happen that a listing is kind of a scam or it is a complete scam, and if you can call booking.com directly, they solve your problem and they give you the money back right away, so it was very nice. Then sometimes I book cars directly from this website because they give me some discounts. But if you don't like booking.com, there's also hotels.com that has its own loyalty programs that are kind of similar, but I'm telling you why I'm not using it. Because booking.com is the website with the most amount of listings in the world. Most of the time, hotels.com, it's just having duplicates of listings of booking.com, and it has less listings than booking.com. One alternative that some people consider is AirBnB. They say it's better for mid-term, long-term staying. But bro, if there is a place for you available to book for an entire month, it means that nobody is booking it through the month. So maybe it's not a really good place. What I suggest to you is that if you're building a base or you're moving to a place for some amount of months, just go on a real estate company and rent an apartment with a regular contract, you know? It's going to be cheaper, safer, and most of the times a better place. So let me give you some suggestions on booking.com. When you open and search for some place, it's gonna sort them by these our top picks, which could mean anything or nothing at the same time. What I do is that I sort for what I care about. Usually it's lowest price first, then be very careful of reviews, you know. You want to find a place that has a decent amount of reviews and a decent score, at least 7 I would say. And when you find a place like this, like new to booking.com, that has like not many reviews, they could be like fake reviews from the family members of the owner of the place, or it could mean that the price is lower than it will be when the place started to make business already. And I'm gonna tell you, many times this was really cool for me to discover. Like I went to a place and I was really impressed. But it's risky. You can find yourself in a scam or in a bad place, so make your own decisions, alright? Another feature that is very nice that you should use, show a map. When you go to a city, you should study it a little bit before you go. So when you want to book, you know already in which kind of area you want to stay. You come here, you filter by your price, you can add more filters filters. Let's say you're traveling with a friend and you don't want to share a double bed, you can filter by twin beds only, and then you go in the area you want to book, and when you find a place that you actually like, You click and you can check it out. Last but not least, the pictures you find here are about any kind of room you can find in this place. What you should do instead is that you scroll down so you can see that they have different room types. There is junior suite, suite. When you click here, it's going to show you the pictures that are specific to this kind of room. Suite as these ones. If I click on junior suite, it's going to be some different kind of pictures. This saved me many times, so remember it, alright? You can use booking.com in almost every country in the world. That I know, you cannot use it in Russia and Turkey. Little secret. If you want to use it in Turkey, you just need to book the places while you are outside Turkey. So if you find yourself already in Turkey and you want to book a place, remember to use a VPN that is showing that you are in another country, so you can still book places using booking.com while you are in Turkey. Alright? As a summary, remember to not use aggregation websites like we've seen for my previous video about how to choose a flight. Remember? You don't? Go check it out. Second, booking.com is the website with the most amount of listings. So if you're booking many places because you travel a lot, I would suggest you to use that one. So after 15 bookings in 2 years, period, you're gonna be able to use all of the loyalty program's benefits. Third, remember when you're on booking.com to check the pictures of the room that you're booking and not the generic pictures of the hotel.